This is Coach Jay, and this is the name Stack Modular System. And I'm gonna show y'all little details about it. So, with the system, I have holes in the bottoms and the tops of each letter. So that allows for these pegs here to be put in between the letter, the spacer, and the next letter above it. So some of these spacers you see have different holes. The spacer here is for letters, and it tells you in the details here. Top spaces for letter J and L, and the bottom for F and P, due to them having just one leg in the letter. This one is the top spacer for W, if you're just going to use W consecutively. But also this is an alternate, so you can use W at the bottom and use another letter on top. Also here we have our spacer for an end piece, and we have our top and bottom spacers for letters A through K, N through T, and the letter Z. And then here we have a universal one that works for all letters except for W. So the kick of this is that we have our connectors that go inside each port here that are used to connect each piece. Then you have hole plugs that allow you to plug up holes that you're not going to use. I think I have to do a quick update so I can do a shorter hole plug as well. So once I do that update, I will tell you guys about it. I just thought about it in the midst of this. But it works as, so we put this bottom one on, and we can just use any one we want to make it a bottom. We'll put a peg in it, put the peg in the bottom of the letter, stack it on, and you just build the letters up to whatever size you want to. And that's how you use the modular systems. Any questions, concerns, or comments, feel free to contact me in my inbox, or feel free to email me at jwillmakeaway@gmail.com. Thank you.